Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Dallas, Texas, where we just installed a power guard backup system for the sump pump. It's a very unique type of setup. You'll see that it has a power with a display sitting on the top. The battery sits over on the side with the running from the AC to the DC. You can see your general connections right here in front in a sealed battery case. You can see that you have to modify your sump basin cover because it's going to have two pipes, as you can see. If you're going into a single discharge, that means a single pipe going out through the wall. And you'll see one to the right is a backup battery tied to a backup pump. And then the main pump is over to the left, as you can see, which is our, in this case, Pro Series sump pump. And you can see it's all tied in to a high water alarm. And we like putting a display what the instructions were, just in case someone who have a problem has to service it. Usually will be us, but you never know. Somebody may choose somebody else. So if you like the setup, let us know. Click the like and subscribe button. And nice setup. Let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.